Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforexmagicweb.com. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ghulam Samdani, aka Sam, and I've been in this business for more than 10 years now. Let me show you a few things that I have. This is my website, and this is a YouTube channel that I have. This is for the public, and have more than 1300 videos so far on this one. Plus I have a separate list of webinar recording only for my subscribers. I do not give it out to regular public. Those are only for the subscribers, the recordings which I do, the webinars. This is my Facebook page, and here I have my Twitter. It's been for a long time here. And then this is my Forex factory page. You can see I was a member since February 2008. So I've been in this business, I think almost like 12-13 years now. Okay, and be doing and for the last 5-6 years I'm teaching. Not only the monthly subscription, which you just landed on my page and on the ClickBank, but also I do one-on-one coaching. I have a course on my website. That's one-on-one coaching. So that's a big course. Okay, that's separate. If you want ever interested in that, you can just go on my website and get in touch with me and first learn about it. But monthly subscription, which you just landed on this page on the ClickBank, is what about is, let me explain it to you, is that I do webinars like twice a week on that, right? Twice a week, one on Sunday, where I go over the market, what has happened and what will be happening, and what are the possible setups, and which pair is going to go where, right? And for the next couple of days, and then comes Wednesday, and then I do another webinar, live webinar, and then I cover what has happened, and then what will happen Thursday and Friday, and what are the possible setups, and again the whole 9 yard, right, for the next couple of days. And then this is how we finish the week. Now when you subscribe, you're gonna get the whole thing. Let me just show you quickly, if I can go here, that you're gonna get basically my whole system, Magic Ivy system, which has different indicators and some alarm EA, and the indicators that draw that candle, these kind of candles, right? So you're gonna get that whole system, and then template and EA and indicators, everything, right? Plus instruction videos I will be giving you that you can watch how to set up the charts and everything. Plus you're gonna get the email support, that if you have any problem with setting up the charts and opening these charts and setting up the charts, then you can simply call me. I can get on the Skype and then guide you step by step how to fix these charts and how to get going, right? Plus in my webinar, what you learn is that how to do the technical analysis on monthly and weekly and daily charts, how to draw trend lines, proper trend lines, how to draw proper channel, how to fix the fib tool, fib expansion, fib retracement, and fib extensions, right? How to use all three type of fib measurements to measure harmonic patterns and Elliott waves, right? How to identify SNR levels on a weekly, monthly charts and use them in your trading using this Magic Ivy setup. Magic Ivy system, and also where are the best which are the best candlestick formations, right? You're going to learn about that. Harmonic patterns, they are very, very good and very useful. And then I'll be teaching you that where to find them and how to trade using this system. Okay, as well as you will be learning about the little bit of Elliott wave structure and how to identify and calculate them, as well as trade all those individual waves at the beginning of or starting the wave using this system and SNR levels. Look at these trades just last week, June 20th. Today is June 21st, finishing the Friday, right? Week finishing. So all these USD yen, look at this. Just look at the setup. It's just the same setup again and again and again. This is pound Aussie. This is pound USD. Look at the setup. What happened here? Okay, and I'll be teaching all of that what it is, how to read this indicator, how to, what is the setup, what are the requirements. You're going to be learning every single thing in my webinar. Look at these setups and all these trades just from yesterday. I mean, not yesterday, last week, right? 6, 7, 8 trades. So basically, if you take, for example, this one, just an entry from here to here, if you're using one standard lot, that's $1,100, more than $1,000, right there. Just one trade within a week in one day. And on alone 18, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. June 18, 4 trades. One was, almost, all of them like 50, 60 pip, and this one was a big one, the 115. So this is 70 pip. This is 95 pip. So this is 60 pip. So all of this, it's very easy. It's, of course, there is learning and it's a little bit of work to do. Set up the charts. Learn how to set up the charts first, then you set up all those charts, you make the profiles and this and that. Once you're ready, it take a couple of days to get going, and then you will be learning, and then before you know it, you will master the whole system. And trust me, after that, the forex trading will become like a walk in a park. You will be doing on at will, anytime you want, anywhere you want, and you will feel total confidence over the market. So this is what the subscription is all about. It is only $67 a month, okay, where you're gonna get the whole system as well as my analysis, and I will be sending you the invitation for the webinar, like I said, twice a week. If you don't attend or cannot attend the webinar, then don't worry, because I record those webinars and send out the recording right after the webinar. It takes sometimes 2-3 hours, so that I can convert the recording and upload on the YouTube, and then send out, include in the list, the private list that I have for the subscribers, and then send it out. Okay, so you will get it anyway, even if you don't have the time, or for any reason you cannot attend the live webinar. It doesn't matter. But the live webinar is the key, because you learn which pair is going to do what based on the fund days. Okay, we also consider the fund days, but not we don't trade the fund days. We just see that after the fund day what happened, and where the prices are going, and when they start to go or move, then we see that, okay, they are, like, for example, we were here when the news broke and the price went above this wave, these lines, right, above the wave, and then the first entry was this, then it went up. Even if you make this first entry, when the price move up a little bit, what you do is you come and sit on a break even. It takes you out, fine, thank you very much. Another entry, fine, you get in again, and that's what happens, right? Same thing here. This one is the first entry, nice and clean, it went up. Right? I would say second entry, because this would be the entry, but the price here, and the trick is, I will be teaching you, but I'm just telling you right now a little bit that this price that has to touch, come inside the yellow and the black line. These two lines, it has to come inside the yellow line, like this one, like here, right? So these are the setup, and I'll be teaching exactly all the requirements, which setup to take, which is not. Trading is all about knowing when and what to do, because it's 24-hour, but you cannot trade 24-hour. You need to learn when the volume comes into the market and when not. If this low volume and you try to trade, you're gonna get burned. Straightforward, I'm telling you. It's a lot of factors. If you don't pay attention, or if you don't learn, there is no indicator or no system or anything that will automatically trade, just buy and sell, and then you cannot make money. No, you have to learn, and you have to rely on the fund days. Fund days change every single day. The condition of the world, politics and financials change, and when they change, forex market changes. Okay, and we have to follow the PA. We have to just follow the PA. If market change, we change. Our bias change. Today we are USD bullish, tomorrow maybe bearish again, right? So this is how it is. So I hope I explained it. You just go on on my website. It's not much there, but once you subscribe, you're gonna get be a part of my group. You will come on here on my regular website. This is my regular website, by the way, and then I have a lot of things here. One-on-one coaching is here. You can sign up if you want. If you want to learn the whole system, the whole like Elliott wave from A to Z, harmonic pattern from bottom to top, every single thing about them, and the whole business, the whole 9 yard. That's an intensive course, 10 hours or more on the Skype. Each session is 1 hour, so that's something else, right? But just to start, you can just sign up as a subscriber, become a subscriber, get the system, start practicing on a demo account, and become expert of this. Once you do it, you become expert, you can be trading these. This is just this 1 week. Let me show you. It is week after week after week, the same thing. You look, this is before the week before that. Look at the setup here, same setup, same thing. This is euro yen, this is euro USD. What is the difference between this and this? Nothing. This was a short entry, this was a short entry, this was a short entry, this, not this one. But here you have this one I took, but the next entry was here. This is a good entry. This was a good entry. This yellow line was touched, right? Look at this, all these trades, same thing. This is euro Aussie. This is also euro Aussie. It was actually it was the same entry. It's just that it went up here, and then this is the second entry, by the way, right? This is the one I took in front of you. See that? This is the entry, my SL and my order. Here I closed when it was dropping. After the dropping, it started to go up again, and I got it again. Okay, simple as that. Why? Because this indicator was all the way down, and boom, it's gone. So this is how it is, and you're going to be learning this, and you're going to be becoming a master of this forex trading, and you will be able to make money for the rest of your life from your home, easy peasy. Okay, so go ahead and subscribe and be a part of my group, and as soon as you're going to start going to make money. Okay, so this is it for now, and hope to see you in my webinars as my new subscriber. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful day and a very beautiful life.